Hey friends, if you wish to change language on Windows 11 Home single language, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select language and region in the right pane. Now click on add a language, and for the sake of this example I will load another version of English. Click on next, install, and it will install a language. But that doesn't make this a primary language. You'll have to click on these three dots here and move it up till it reaches the top. That again does not make it the display language. It only makes it the language for basic typing, handwriting, etc. The display language will remain English United States if it is a single language PC, and English United States was the default language. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.